Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to check updates on Google Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to check updates on Google Play Store, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. After opening your Google Play Store app, guys, on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. At the top right corner, tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the second option over here just below your Google account. There it says the manage apps and device. Tap on the manage apps and device option over here, and you can see, guys, here it says on the second option, it says the updates available. If you tap on it, all of the apps which requires an update on your phone will be over here, and if you simply tap on the update button at the right side or the update all button at the top right corner of the screen, all of your apps will be updated at once. And with that being said, guys, this is how to check updates on Google Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.